news from China and deliveries for NIO, some numbers over there that have the stock down. We did get a pretty decent bounce recently for BYD and others after their deliveries. So what's up with NIO here?
So NIO, they're out with a mixed bag in terms of their results. NIO reporting a loss of 33 cents a share. The expectation was for a loss of 31 cents a share. Revenue came in at $137 billion. The expectation was closer to $1.5 billion. So they were lighter than expected, but their forecast is better, and they actually beat deliveries. They had lowered their guidance coming into it, but they beat that lowered guidance. So they delivered more than 30,000 vehicles in the quarter. The guidance was about 30,000. They are forecasting a stronger second quarter, and they're forecasting for this quarter for deliveries to come in between 54,000 to 56,000, which would be much better. Revenue is guiding for nearly doubling for this second quarter from a year earlier. They have seen sales ramp up in April and May. They said after they lowered battery costs. So that's one of the tricks there. And keep in mind, we know that there's been a pricing war in the EV space in China, so that's part of the challenges that it's facing. So the second quarter looks like it will be better for NIO than its latest quarter.
Down 8%, brutal. And just last week, we saw a little bit of strength in some of these names, but NIO's been a laggard now for a while. Really kind of seems like BYD is the way to go if you're trying to get exposure to this group. XPeng's been stuck. Lee's been making lows. I mean, it seems like BYD right now is not just the Chinese EV to go with, but the EV overall, since Tesla's been kind of stuck in the water.
Oh my gosh,
mired too. So Tesla trying to lift off a little bit here this morning, but the market overall is too. Thanks, Diane. Good stuff.